Hello everyone, I want to run through a quick video with you and it's to do with audio today. Some people that when they go out and start making films they come across this problem. Some people come across this problem quite often, and what they do is they go out and they buy themselves a nice microphone and they attach it to the cameras and they do the film and they edit the film and everything. They bring it all back and they think lovely jubbly, and then they load it in the editor and they come across this. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. This is to convert mono audio into stereo audio. So as you can see, it's only coming through one speaker and they're not very happy about that. So how do you do that? Well, it's quite simple. I'm using Magix Movie Studio 2025 suite, and I've loaded the audio. I just made a quick audio file just to show you, and I've loaded the audio into it. So all you would do is you would highlight your audio and you would right click on the audio and you would go into audio cleaning. Okay, once you've clicked on audio cleaning, you will then you'll see this come up. You'll click on stereo effects like that. Okay, and then you click on the stereo effects like that, and then you click on preset and you click on both channels equals left, and if that doesn't work, go back into it and both channels equals right. It depends on which speaker your sound's coming out of. So I'm going to try this one first, both channels equals right, and then click OK. And now let's see if it comes through both speakers. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. This is to convert mono audio into stereo audio. And that's how you do it. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Hope you liked the video, hope it was useful for you. If so, please click on subscribe, and thanks for watching.